Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use the voice changer on TikTok. First things first, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and tap the plus icon to create a new video. Once here, you can either use a pre-made video or you can make a new one using the TikTok camera. But for now, we will use a pre-made video by tapping on the upload square icon on the bottom right corner. Once satisfied, you just have to click on the next button. And once here, you'll see several options like add text, add effects, add filters, and many more. But for now, we will only use the audio editing option, which is the mic icon. Here, you will see various voice effects you can use such as Trickster, Granny, Chipmunks, and more. Just tap on the effect you want to use and it will automatically apply. Once you have finished, you can now tap on the save button and finalize your edit by adding filters, text, and other effects. Whenever you're ready to share your video, simply tap on the next button again. Once here, you can put captions and hashtags that you like. When you're ready to share your video, click post. And that's it! You can now use the voice changer option on TikTok for your contents. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!